Welcome to Pinch of Taste. Let's make grill sandwich. Cut half kg chicken in small cubes. Chop 1 medium-size onion. Chop 1 tomato. Chop half cup cabbage. Fine chop 6 to 7 garlic cloves. Add 2 tablespoons oil in heating pan. Add chopped garlic. Sauté for 1 minute on medium flame. Add chicken. Cook for 10 minutes. Half teaspoon chili flakes. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. 1½ tablespoon vinegar. 1½ tablespoon soya sauce. Mix it well and cook for 5 minutes. Set aside. Toast bread in greasy pan. Toast both sides or grill them. Let's prepare filling. Half cup mayonnaise. Half cup chili garlic sauce. Mix it well. Spread on bread slices. Add cooked chicken in mayo mixture. Half cup sweet corn. Half cup boiled peas. Onion and tomatoes. Mix. Chopped cabbage. Filling is ready. Time to assemble. Evenly spread mixture on bread. Cut diagonally. Yummy and juicy sandwiches are ready to eat. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.